Welcome student for our new topic, estimating sum and differences. For estimating the sum or difference of a given numbers, we round off the given numbers and then find their sum or difference. Question may be asked like estimate sum to the nearest 10, also find the actual sum. The two numbers are 36 plus 71. See the actual sum, 36 plus 71, see the ones place, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 3 is 10. So 107 is the actual sum. Now see the estimated sum. First of all, we have to round off 36. 36 comes in between 30 and 40 and 36 is nearer to 40. So the round off number is 40. Now for 71 comes in between 70 and 80 and 71 is nearer to 70. So 71 is round off to 70. So the estimated sum of 40 plus 70 is 110. Hence estimated sum to the nearest 10 of 40 and 70 is 110. Similarly, we can find the estimate sum to the nearest 100 and also to the nearest 1000. Now let's see for difference. Estimate difference to the nearest 10, also find the actual difference between 453 and 386. Now see the actual difference first. 453 minus 386. See the ones place, 3 and 6, this is not match, so 3 will take borrow from 5 will become 4 and 3 will become 13. Now 13 and 6 is match. Now 4 and 8, this is not match, 4 will take borrow from next 4, that 4 will turn into 3 and the 4 will become 14. Now 14 and 8 is match. Now 3 and 3 is also match. Second step, what should be added to 6 to get 13? That is 7. What should be added to 8 to get 14? That is 6. The answer is 67. So actual difference is 67. Now see the estimated difference. We have 453. First we have to round this to the nearest 10. For that, see 453 is in between 450 and 460. So 453 is nearer to 450. Now 386. Now 386 is in between 380 and 390. So 386 is nearer to 390. So 386 is round off to 390. Now see the difference between 450 and 390. So see the ones place, 0 and 0, that is match. So the answer is 0. Now 5 and 9, this is not match. 5 will take borrow from 4 will become 3 and 5 will become 15. 15 and 9 is now match and 3 and 3 is also match. So what should be added to 9 to get 15? That is 6. So answer is 60. Hence the actual difference is 67 and the estimated difference is 60. Similarly, we can estimate difference to the nearest 100 and to the nearest thousands. Actually, no rigid rules are there unless and until it is required to estimate to the nearest tens, hundreds or thousands. The estimation depends on the degree of accuracy needed and how fast the estimate is needed. For example, estimate the difference 1786 and 1244. First see the actual difference. 1786 minus 1244. See the ones place, 6 and 4, this is match. 8 and 4, this is also match. 7 and 2, this is also match. 1 and 1, this is also match. Now what should be added to 4 to get 6? That is 2. Now what should be added to 4 to get 8? That is 4. Then what should be added to 2 to get 7? That is 5. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. So the actual difference is 542. Now see the estimated difference to the nearest 10. First of all, we have to round 1786 to the nearest 10. For that, 1786 lie between 1780 and 1790, and 1786 is nearer to 1790, so the answer is 1790. Now for 1244, so this number lies between 1240 and 1250, and 1244 is nearer to 1240. So we have to subtract 1790 and 1240. See, one's places match, tens places also match, hundreds places also match, and thousands places also match. So what should be added to 0 to get 0? That is 0. What should be added to 4 to get 9? That is 5. Now what should be added to 2 to get 7? That is 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So the final answer is 550. Now see the estimate the difference to the nearest 100. Now we have to round 1786 to the nearest 100. 1786 lie between 1700 and 1800, and 1786 is nearer to 1800. So 1786 is round off to 1800. Now 1244, this number lies between 1200 and 1300, and 1244 is nearer to 1200. Now for estimate the difference to the nearest 100, 1800 minus 1200, we get 600. Now see estimate the difference to the nearest 1000. Now we have to round off 1786 to the nearest 1000. 1786 lie between 1000 and 2000. 1786 is nearer to 2000, so it will round to 2000. Now 1244, this number lies between 1000 and 2000, and 1244 is nearer to 1000, so it will round to 1000. We have to subtract 2000 minus 1000, and the answer is 1000. Now the actual difference is 542, and the estimated difference nearer to 10 is 550, and estimated difference to the nearest 100 is 600, and estimated difference nearest to 1000 is 1000. Now let's analyze which is best. First, estimate to the nearest 10. 550 is accurate, but getting solution is slow. Now estimate to the nearest 100. 600 is accurate as well as fast. Last but not the least, estimate to the nearest 1000. Getting solution 1000 is very fast, but it is not so accurate. So we have to prefer estimate to the nearest 100. This will give accurate answer as well as fast to solve. I hope with this now you can able to decide which estimation you have to use in which question. So for the time being, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching as usual. God bless you all.